you're focusing on what I think is probably a relatively small group of the classification problem. There are people who drive trucks in ports on the West Coast who so clearly work for the port. The port tells them their hours. The port tells them what they have to do. They work within the port. These are drayage truckers. For years, they've been classified as independent contractors, and so if something goes wrong with the truck, they have to pay for it. So I would say that there are a non-trivial group of old school on-demand independent contractors who have been misclassified in the pernicious system that we've been talking about. So I would get that right. By the way, I think one way to get that right is to get rid of the safe harbor rule that's part of the IRS, which basically tells an employer, well, if you're misclassifying someone, but you've done it forever, keep going, it's okay. I'm exaggerating slightly, but not much. My second point that I'll be brief is labor standards. If you're an independent contractor, you're typically not covered by labor standards. And again, if we want innovation and regulation to be friends and not enemies, then we have to make sure that independent contractors, members of the sharing economy, are covered by labor standards, whether it's minimum wages, safety and health, contributions to social insurance, and so on.